Okay, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Welcome to the Mother's Day Garden Party 2021. Our hosts and co-hosts are Gigi's Fashion for the Love of Decor, Shawnee on the Spot, Debbie Bubbles, Lady Cinnamon, and Creating with Miss K. I hope you enjoy my garden party that I did for Mother's Day. This is one last look at our tea party. Hope you enjoy my tea set in the garden. And I hope it gives you some inspiration for your next tea setting. And remember, you can always find cute little pieces at the thrift store, like all of this. Welcome to the Day in the Garden Tea Party. I have our appetizers for our tea party is tomato juice and grilled cheese, and what my mother used to call as apple nachos, which consist of caramel and chocolate. Sometimes we put nuts and miniature chips on the top. Yes, it's messy, but boy, is it yummy. These are two of my mom's favorite light lunches or snacks, so I decided to use those. Since Mother's Day is coming up, I also added two of her roosters to our tea party. Here's our teapot, and it's got orange flowers. And since this is a garden tea party, I chose to incorporate orange flowers, which were her favorite. These are orange ranunculus, pink ranunculus, and white. Then, of course, since this is on my entryway, this is peach and yellow and white crocuses with a rag bow. Yes, it's my favorite. It's my farmhouse style. But boy, does it look pretty. Oh, by the way, if you like the dishes, this came from the thrift store. These came from the thrift store too. The cups and the saucers that match all came from the thrift store. And so did our pretty little teapot. Oh, and you want to think this is funny. This came from Menards, which is basically a home improvement store. It was to go out